press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
There's always, the most interesting part of the show or any kind of content has to be jahan pe twists and turns aate hain. In this show, Choti Sardani that you're obviously you're part of, is the Mahasapta that we all have been, kind of looking forward to. So, bahut
Yes.
sare interesting secrets, bahut sare interesting revelations, it's gonna be there. So I want you to give your audience a bit of a brief as to how it's gonna happen and, kaise sab aage jaane wala hai aage.
See, the thing is that I cannot reveal much, but all I can say is this Mahasapta is going to be very, very entertaining. It's going to be, there's going to be a lot of drama. There's going to be a lot of action also involved, which sometimes there is not involved in that show, but in particularly this week, there is a lot of action. And there was a promo also which was being, telecasted recently, which was a fire sequence, which we are supposed to picturize. So, usme wo bhi hone wala hai. So, I'm pretty sure that all the audiences are going to be glued to the seats throughout the, whole half an hour of the show when it's going to telecast and throughout the whole week.
Kya baat hai. And, as audience, they always look forward to that kind of excitement because, that's why they see the show and, it's for the love that they get from the show. But, एक चीज मुझे बताइए कि, obviously, you all are back to shooting and, abhi, it's almost like before, but unfortunately it's still not exactly like before because you cannot ignore the fact that COVID is still there. But still aap log yahan pe shoot, you're still shooting and because obviously you want to put that entertainment forward to your audience, so that's in a way a wonderful thing. But kahin na kahin jaake the risk always remains and you cannot ignore that. No matter how much of masks you're using or wearing, at the end of the day when you're giving that shot, you're doing that with a lot of human contact. So, I want you to answer ki, as an actor, before an actor, you are a human being. Do you sometimes feel scared? Does Avinash, the human being, feel scared about being on the sets, at this point of time?
Yes, I definitely feel scared. One of the most important reason behind that is because, I have a family, I've got kids at home. So the most scarier part is this, that when I go to the set, so I need to take equally all precautions, and those are very, very necessary. And while coming back also, I make sure that, I sanitize my whole body because there's a sanitization machine which is over there once we come out. So I make sure that, I stay there for at least 5 to 10 minutes inside that sanitization machine so that, all the germs and everything which are there on my body and all over are being removed completely. And this is the only, major precaution I can take, according to my own perspective. But otherwise, all at the end of the day, it is all destiny, I cannot just help it. But yes, definitely we have to face those challenges. As you said that it is almost the same, but it is not almost the same. We still, are taking equal precautions every time. After every shot, we wear our masks, we go to our room and sit over there and, sanitize ourselves. So our production also makes sure that, every actor, every crew member, everybody who is there on the set is taking all the necessary precautions which are being mandatory.
I think it's very important and, because it's in the best interest of everyone, not just you all in the sets, but also, the kind of people that you're meeting. So I think that's a very responsible thing. Absolutely.
Yeah,
absolutely.
it's a big responsibility. Also, it's our responsibility as simultaneously it is a responsibility of the production, and they are doing a very, very good job.
Yeah. Of course, that's what it is. At the end of the day, it's a teamwork. So, you got to manage everything, together. But kahin na kahin jaake, a lot of shows, I'm not really sure about what's going to happen with Choti Sardani. You will be able to tell better. But, a lot of shows, because of the restrictions of COVID-19, kahin na kahin jaake unke content mein bhi change aa gaya. Like, because probably a lot of things that they would probably have in the screenplay earlier, before, pre-COVID time, abhi jaake probably the screenplay writers or the writers will have to think 50 times before, incorporating something like that in the script, because वैसे shoot करना is not possible during times of COVID-19. So do you think the narrative जिस हिसाब से it's getting drifted because of is it going to play a huge role in terms of content as well in the future? जब तक vaccine नहीं आता, what do you think?
Yeah, the basic crux of our story and of our show, the main strength of our show is the content.
Yeah.
because the content was so strong, and because of the content, all the characters were shaped so well, and they were
Yeah.
so well defined. So that clicked for our show. So
Correct.
for us, the story and the screenplay is so broadly and so widely written already that we are in a very, very good space. So post lockdown, also before lockdown, we had kept a void in our show where we started from, and we started from the same part because we knew that it might take a little longer for this COVID thing to get subsided. But having said that, I think there weren't much changes, I would say. But yes, there were just one character which was supposed to come a little later, but it had come a little sooner. So that was the only change which we came across. But otherwise, I think there weren't much changes in the story because our story was predefined, and the way it was, we started with the equal measurement post the lockdown.